What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. If you're new here, please feel free to subscribe. There's a ton of content like this coming, as well as the videos already on my channel. But yeah, this is just a quick trip my girlfriend and I took. First kind of camping trip of the fall season. So it wasn't too much filmed, still kind of getting used to this whole thing, but definitely more to come. So thank you guys for watching. Feel free to liking gets the video to others, and it lets me know what you guys want to see more of. So cue the intro. Ready? Alrighty guys, we made it to our destination. We are at the beautiful Lake Cleom River. Lake's over that way, and this is all just kind of open sandbar, gravel bar due to the low water levels. So not that many people out here, but this is our spot for the night. What you making?
Spaghetti with no sauce.
And sandwiches and some drinks. Yes, I forgot the spaghetti sauce. So we're having butter noodles and sandwiches. Go us. But it's cooling down. Some fish are jumping. It's a beautiful night. Blue is wandering. Come here. Good morning.
What are you making?
Some breakfast burritos.
Ooh.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. We're just packing up here, getting everything put away. We just made a quick breakfast and some coffee, and we do gotta get out of here to get home. But again, thank you guys. If you have questions, feel free to ask in the comments. And if you like this content, subscribe. There's definitely more to come. And stay tuned. I'll be doing a review on this tent, which is the, again, Hutch Apex 3. So, thank you guys, and have a wonderful rest of your days. See ya.